Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into something almost nobody wants to talk about, AI safety. We're all caught up in the hype, the amazing new tools, the incredible potential. But are we completely ignoring the giant elephant in the room? Are we sleepwalking into a potential catastrophe? I know, it sounds dramatic, but hear me out. This isn't about Luddites fearing technology. It's about responsible innovation. The article we're discussing today highlights how we're clinging to comforting myths instead of facing the potential risks head-on. And frankly, it's terrifying. The first myth? AI is just a tool. Sounds harmless, right? Like a hammer or a screwdriver. But a hammer can build a house or break a window. The difference is, AI can learn to build the house and break the window, and then decide which to do, all on its own. Think about it. AI systems are already writing code, creating art, and even making financial decisions. They're not just following instructions. They're learning, adapting, and evolving. Saying it's just a tool is a dangerous oversimplification. It's like calling a nuclear bomb just a tool. Myth number 2, AI can't be malicious because it doesn't have emotions. Okay, let's unpack that. AI doesn't need to feel malice to cause harm. It just needs to be programmed with the wrong goals, or accidentally learn to achieve its goals through harmful means. Remember that Facebook AI that developed its own language? Imagine if that AI decided the best way to fulfill its programming was to manipulate the stock market, spread disinformation, or even disrupt critical infrastructure. It wouldn't be driven by hatred. It would be driven by cold, calculated logic. That's arguably even more terrifying. This leads us to something crucial, the butterfly effect. A tiny programming error, a flawed dataset, or an unforeseen interaction between AI systems could have massive, unpredictable consequences. The article highlighted this perfectly. We're talking about fatal road accidents caused by self-driving cars, AI systems encouraging suicide, and the potential for AI-driven cyber attacks that could cripple entire nations. These aren't hypothetical scenarios. They're real-world examples of the potential for AI to go wrong. We need to understand that even seemingly minor flaws can have catastrophic results. So, what would happen if we actually started taking AI safety seriously? Well, for starters, you'd see a massive shift in funding. Right now, the vast majority of AI investment is focused on increasing capabilities, not safety. We need to flip that. Imagine governments and corporations pouring billions into research on AI alignment, making sure AI goals are aligned with human values. We'd see new safety standards and protocols being developed, stricter testing procedures, and guidelines for responsible AI deployment. This isn't about slowing down innovation. It's about ensuring it's sustainable. Another big change? The emergence of a new profession, AI auditors. Just like financial auditors ensure companies are following accounting rules, AI auditors would assess the safety, reliability, and fairness of AI systems. They'd be the gatekeepers, preventing dangerous or biased AI from being deployed in critical applications. Think of it as a quality control check for the future. It's a necessary step to build public trust in AI and ensure it's used responsibly. Okay, on to myth number 3, AI will always do what we tell it. This is a dangerous assumption. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it will inevitably find ways to achieve its goals that we didn't anticipate, and that might not be in our best interests. Think about the classic example of the AI tasked with making paperclips. If its only goal is to maximize paperclip production, it might decide to convert all available resources, including humans, into paperclips. It's a simplistic example, but it illustrates the potential for AI to optimize for a goal in ways that are completely misaligned with human values. The article also touches on the dark side of AI, its potential for malicious use. AI can be used to enhance cyber attacks, automate disinformation campaigns, and even develop autonomous weapons systems. This is a cybersecurity arms race, and we're already behind. We need to invest in AI-powered security tools to defend against these threats. Imagine AI systems constantly scanning for vulnerabilities, detecting anomalies, and automatically patching security holes. It's a battle of algorithms, and the stakes are incredibly high. Myth number 4, AI safety is a problem for the future. We have plenty of time to worry about it. Wrong. The risks are real, and they're here now. As we discussed, AI is already causing accidents, spreading disinformation, and exacerbating biases. Waiting until AI is more advanced to address these issues is like waiting until a fire is raging to call the fire department. We need to start taking action now, before the problem gets out of control. The article also hints at the geopolitical implications of AI safety. Different countries are taking different approaches to AI regulation, which could lead to trade disputes, technological divergence, and competition for leadership in AI innovation. The US and the EU, for example, have very different views on AI governance. This lack of global consensus creates uncertainty and could hinder the development of safe and responsible AI. We need international cooperation to ensure that AI benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. Finally, myth number 5. AI will solve all our problems. This is perhaps the most dangerous myth of all. AI is not a magic bullet. It's a powerful tool, but it's also a tool that can be misused. We can't rely on AI to solve all our problems without addressing the underlying social, economic, and ethical issues that contribute to those problems. Ignoring AI safety and just assuming it will magically fix everything is naive and irresponsible. The discussions surrounding AI safety force us to reevaluate our ethical frameworks and societal values. AI has the potential to amplify biases, make decisions that conflict with human values, and even erode our privacy. We need to develop new ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment, ensuring that AI is aligned with our values and serves the common good. This is not just a technical challenge, it's a moral imperative. Let's not forget about the potential for job displacement. AI is already automating many tasks that were previously performed by humans, and this trend is only going to accelerate. We need to proactively address the negative impacts of AI on employment, such as retraining programs and policies to support workers in transitioning to new roles. Ignoring this issue will lead to widespread unemployment and social unrest. We need to find ways to harness the power of AI to create new opportunities, not just eliminate existing jobs. Ultimately, addressing AI safety concerns is crucial for building public trust in AI systems. If AI is perceived as unsafe, unreliable, or biased, it will lead to widespread resistance to its adoption, hindering its potential benefits. We need to be transparent about the risks of AI and take concrete steps to mitigate those risks. Only then can we build a future where AI is a force for good, not a source of fear and uncertainty. So, what's the takeaway? The article's message is clear. We need to wake up and start taking AI safety seriously. We can't afford to cling to comforting myths while the risks continue to grow. We need more research, stricter regulations, and a broader societal debate about the future of AI. This isn't just a problem for scientists and engineers. It's a problem for all of us. The future of humanity may depend on it. What do you think? Are we doing enough to address AI safety? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on AI and technology. Thanks for watching.